بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to science class. Open your book page 8. So students, today we will start our new unit 2, health and safety. Health and safety. In this unit we will read how we can keep ourselves healthy and safe. So today our first topic is the body machine. The body machine. Our body is like a machine. Just like a machine, our body can do a lot of different jobs. So today we will read about that machine, means our body. So let's start our reading. The body machine. Your body is like an amazing machine. It does different jobs. Your body is like an amazing machine. It does different jobs. Our body is like a machine. Amazing means zabardast. So our body is like an amazing machine. Our body does different jobs. For example, jumping, running, walking, reading, playing, etc. A car is a machine and needs to be looked after so that it can run. A car is a machine and needs to be looked after so that it can run. Look at this picture, students. This is a car and a car needs cleaning. A car also needs petrol. A car needs engine oil and a car's tire need air. A car is a machine and it need to look after. Look after mean khayal rakna. So it can run. It can run mean so it can work. If we look after a car, so it can work. अगर आप कार को इस्तेमाल करते हैं, कभी एक जगह जाते हैं उसमें, कभी दूसरी जगह, और आप उसकी हिफाजत नहीं करते या ख्याल नहीं रखते या उसकी सफाई का ख्याल नहीं रखते, ना उसके टायर्स को चेक करते हैं कि उसमें एयर है, एयर मतलब हवा है कि नहीं, या उसको हवा की ज़रूरत है या नहीं, किसको, टायर्स को, टायर्स में एयर होता है। और ना आप लोग उसका इंजन चेक करते हैं, ठीक है, कि उसको ऑयल की ज़रूरत है कि नहीं, क्योंकि इंजन को ऑयल चाहिए होता है, ठीक है। तो अगर आप लोग उसका इंजन चेक नहीं करते, उसके टायर्स को चेक नहीं करते कि उसमें एयर है कि नहीं, ना आप लोग उसके पेट्रोल को चेक करते हैं कि कार में पेट्रोल है या नहीं, ना आप लोग उसकी सफाई का ख्याल रखते हैं, ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, एक दिन आप लोगों की गाड़ी जो है वो रुक जाएगी, वो ख़राब हो जाएगी, ना आप वो चल नहीं सकेगी, और इस तरह और स्टार्ट नहीं होगी। क्यों? क्योंकि आपने इसका ख्याल नहीं रखा। सो योर बॉडी इज़ आल्सो अ मशीन that needs to be looked after. Your body is also a machine that needs to be looked after. So our body is also a machine. It also needs to looked after. Looked after means ख्याल रखना. And और हमारी बॉडी को अब किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है? ख्याल रखने के लिए बॉडी को क्या क्या चाहिए? फ्रेश एयर, हेल्दी फूड, एक्सरसाइज, क्लीन वाटर और रेस्ट. Now your muscles need food and exercise to work. Your muscles need food and exercise to work. If you eat healthy food and do proper exercise, your muscles work properly. They will get strong. If you eat healthy food, they will get strong. They means muscles. Muscles will get strong If you eat healthy food are milk, fruits, vegetables, eggs, meat, bread. So you should need to take these things in your diet. And if you eat healthy food, your muscles will be strong. Do not eat too much junk food. Do not eat too much junk food. And we should not eat junk food. Junk foods are chips, biscuits, chocolates, candies, etc. If we eat junk foods, it will harm our health. Okay student, this is enough for today. Now I will tell you a short summary of today's lecture. Today we read about a machine, that is our body. So just like a machine, our body do different jobs. Example, jumping, running, walking, playing, etc. Then we read, just like a machine, our body needs to look after. Then we read that we should take healthy food and do proper exercise so our muscles will become strong and work properly. And then we read that we should not eat junk food because it will harm our health. Okay students, now your homework is do reading of page 8 and underline difficult words and write down in your rough notebook. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.